A local comedy club decided to host an open mic night for all species. Enter Larry, a parrot with a taste for sunflower seeds and sarcasm. He waddled up to the mic and said, "Thanks for the warm welcome. I see some familiar faces, mostly the ones who talk to themselves at home pretending I'm not judging them." The crowd chuckled. Larry continued, "My owner says I repeat everything. Buddy, I just wish you'd say something original for once." The audience roared. Larry ended, "Remember, I'm not just a parrot. I'm your therapist with feathers and zero filter."